friends, Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see tomato kaskas chutney. It's a very hot and spicy chutney that goes so well with idli and dosa. Try at home and share your comments below. For tomato kaskas chutney, we need onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, urad dal, poppy seed, oil, coriander leaf, dry chilies, coconut. We need mustard seeds, curry leaf, and the vessels, knife, chalkboard, mixer. Peel the skin and cut the onions. Cut the tomatoes the same way. Remove the skin from the garlic. Remove the skin from ginger and chop them into small pieces. Cut the coriander into 2 halves. Chop the coconut into small pieces. Heat the pan and add 2 teaspoons cooking oil. To that add 1 teaspoon urad dal. Add garlic and then add ginger. Now add chopped onions. Along with the chopped onions, add 1 teaspoon salt. Saute them for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add the chopped tomatoes and remove the stem from the red chilies and add them. If you're using a very hot and spicy chili, just use 3 of them. If not, you can use 5 to 6. Saute them on medium flame for 2 minutes. Now add coconut, 2 teaspoon poppy seed or kaskas, coriander leaf, and saute them for 1 minute. Switch off the flame and allow them to cool completely. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the idlis. After cooling down, transfer it to the mixer and grind them well. Now for tempering, we need 2 tablespoons peanut oil. To them add mustard seed and then curry leaf. Now add them to the grinded one. The spicy chutney goes well with dosa also. Let's make dosa now.